Let's work on the EAR and APR today. The EAR is also called the effective annual rate. It is the actual interest you got over the year. The APR is also called the annual percentage rate. It is the quoted interest rate by the financial institution. What is the EAR for 10% APR compounded monthly? What is the EAR if it is compounded quarterly? To solve this question, let's go to Excel. We have the APR of 10%. It is compounded for 12 times per year. If you want to get the EAR, we just need to use the effect function, and nominal rate would be the 10% that we got earlier, and then the APR would be the 12, which is the compounding frequency in a year. Let's change it back into percentage. Notice that the 10% APR compounded 12 times per year is the equivalent to the EAR of 10.471%. Notice that the EAR is higher than the APR. To solve the second question, the C over Y in fact changed to 4 because quarterly means 4 times per year. The new EAR in this question is just using the effect function again, and the nominal rate become 10%, and C over Y would be just 4, which is 4 times per year. Let's change it back into percentage. It means that if you compounded the APR 4 times a year, the effective annual rate become 10.318%, which is lower than the 10.471% in the earlier question. The rule of thumb is that if the compounding frequency increase, the effective annual rate is going to increase as well, keeping other things constant. That's all for today. Thank you.